Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now I've got a brand new competition starting today and closing on the 15th of July for an amazing product called LeadMagnet IQ. Now on the 15th of July I'll give you a full review of LeadMagnet IQ. On this video I wanted to tell you about the competition, how to enter the competition, my bonuses that I'm going to have for this, and the amazing giveaway I've got as well. Now please remember the giveaway closes on the 15th of July. So as soon as this competition closes, the giveaway closes as well. So if you want the giveaways, make sure that you get them. Now to claim the giveaways, all you need to do is go right to the bottom of this page, right down here. There's a lot to go through because it's a big preview. I've got Marketer's Boost, I've got an agency license there. Just register for that. After the 15th, that will just go back to the normal front end. Got some reseller products here, again all free, download them as you can see on there, and I've got 10 video courses that you can use there. You've got reseller rights, PLR rights, some giveaway rights if you want as well. So I've got a huge giveaway, so make sure that you claim those. Now let me tell you about the competition. The competition starts today, closes on the 15th of July. Now to enter the competition, very simple. All you need to do is click on this button here if you're watching this video from my page. Now if you're watching it from YouTube, just comment on the video, like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you would. Then on the 15th of July I will pick the winner. But remember, if you're watching it from this page, just make sure that you click this button. Now as I said, 15th of July I'll give you a full walkthrough and show you how LeadMagnet IQ works. Now included in that is a traffic hack, and some of the results that I've been getting with this traffic hack is really good, so watch out for that. Now let me tell you about some of the bonuses. Now as part of this bonus I've got two funnels, and they're complete funnels. They're the front end. So I've got the front end, which is the lead generation part of that, and this would be a great add-on to LeadMagnet IQ. Then I've got the upgrade, so you could sell the upgrade, which is the video course. And then I've got the next upgrade after that, which is an app. And after that, I've got resellers to the whole funnel. So you've got a full funnel of products all ready to go there in one funnel. Now, if you're in the first 30 buyers, we're going to do that funnel setup for you. And I've got funnel 2, again, done for you lead generation. So you connect that up to LeadMagnet. Give away the ebook, start collecting the leads. Again, second part of that is a video course which you could sell, kind of like a tripwire. Again, you've got AI software upgrade, and we've got the bonus vault in that as well, so that's an extra one there, plus the resellers to the done for you funnel as well. So there's a whole host of products there. Now as I said, it goes right from the lead funnel, so you've got the whole funnel there all ready to go. And if you're in the first 30 buyers, we'll set those two funnels up for you. So we'll give you hosting, or we'll put it on your hosting, upload the pages so they're all ready to go. All you need to do is connect to your lead form and add in your payment buttons. We've also got 26 PLR packages all about AI, all ready to go. And if you're in the first 50 buyers, we're going to give you master rights as well. So there's a huge collection there. So you can see lots and lots there. And if I go right down to the bottom, we've got a suite of AI products as well. So we've got MAI Enterprise, we've got the Money Bank, we've got Marketers Hub, we've got Done For You Funnels, as you can see, Done For You Funnels here. And we've got some reseller apps, Opt-in Funnel Crash Course, Advanced Traffic Blueprint, My Proven Funnel Formula. So you have got some really good products here in this as a bonus. Now if you enter the competition, you can win a copy of this bonus, plus you can win a copy of LeadMagnet IQ as well. Now just let me scroll back up here. Now the great thing about this bonus, it's the bonus for the front end, so there's no bundle bonuses, upsell bonus or anything like that. You get this bonus if you purchase the front end, and if you're in the first 30 buyers, we'll upload and set up your hosting for you and our hosting system. So it really is a huge deal. So if you want to take part in the competition, if you're watching from this page, click the button, go over to YouTube, comment on the video, like and share the video, subscribe to the channel if you would. Then on the 15th of July, I will pick the winner. But don't forget to claim your free downloads as well, because a lot of people are missing out on those because the page will close when the competition ends. So make sure that you claim your free downloads. So thanks for watching and watch out for the next video.